Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today, we are making accordion-style paper ball lanterns. We got the idea from Pinterest. They are so pretty and add wonderful pops of colour to a dollhouse room. So, let's get making. Start by choosing scrapbook paper in the colour you desire. If you want to make your own, draw on poster board, as the paper is thicker than regular copy or computer paper. We are using hole punches for this craft. However, if you don't have them, you can trace circle shapes from a stencil or container lid. Just make sure the shape you choose is symmetrical, that is, even when split down the center line. You will need to cut at least 8 circles for the lantern. Take a circle and fold it in half so the paper you want to show is on the inside. Put glue stick on the outside right flap, then attach another folded circle. Repeat till you have 4 half spheres as seen on screen. Now, we want to join the half spheres to give the lantern its shape. Again, put glue stick on the outside right flap to connect it with the outside flap of another half sphere. Keep going till all the pieces are adhered. You should now have 2 blank flaps facing up. Cut a length of string or wool, fold it in half and tie a knot near the end. Next, generously apply glue to the center of your lantern ball and on both exposed flaps. Place the string in the middle and seal the flap shut. That's it! You now have a pretty accordion-style paper lantern. Make more in different colours, sizes or shapes for a decor cluster that will brighten up any area in the dollhouse. They also make great party decorations. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.